Hey guys! If you just switched from Windows to macOS, I bet you really miss using the Windows D shortcut to minimize everything to the taskbar. On macOS, there isn't a direct equivalent for that specific shortcut. But don't worry, to achieve this, you actually need two quick steps. Step 1. Hit Option-Command-H. This hides all windows except the one you're currently focusing on. Next, hit Command-M, and that last window will minimize straight to the dock. Now, if you just want to see your desktop to grab some files or folders, here is a better way. You can set up hot corners. First, open System Settings, then head over to Desktop and Dock. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Hot Corners. When the settings window pops up, pick one of the four corners. For this example, I'll choose the bottom right corner, and I'll set it to Desktop. Now, whenever you simply move your cursor to the bottom right corner of your screen, the desktop appears. In macOS terms, this is called Show Desktop. To bring everything back, just click anywhere on the wallpaper, and your windows will snap right back to where they were. Alright, thanks for watching the video.